can someone go from sucking at communicating with girls to GOAT, greatest of all time? In other words, what's the secret sauce, Argentine lover? Pablito, think of cooking rice. What, Argentine lover? I spent my last Argentine lovely coins on pasta. And you start talking rice? Are you trying to be playful with my feelings? No, Pablito, I'm being playful, youthful, and cool with a mouthful of rhymes. Make your heart sing. But rice or pasta, they don't have much flavor without sauce. What's the secret sauce to make your personality flavorful to girls, Argentine lover? Pablito, we just revealed the secret sauce. What, Argentine lover? You're being cryptic again. I hate it when you do that. Wait a minute. To get a girl to laugh or even talk to you, we just revealed the secret sauce. At the beginning of this video, which is to say whatever you say in a way she cannot predict what you're about to say. Something is funny because she's expecting you to say something and you say something completely different or off the wall. However, if you can't be funny, make it up with confidence, energy, and authenticity. What's the best way to reset a girl's reality? Say something that's on her mind. The more on her mind it is, the better. A lot of people say talking about the weather is dull. However, nothing is dull if you think it's exciting. And talking about the weather, if done right, can be exciting because she can't escape from the weather and neither can you. Therefore, it's very much on her mind. So, never be afraid to talk about the weather in an exciting, secret sauce type way. Never forget, it's how you say it that gives the sauce the yummy flavor that girls love. Because girls love to feel emotions. And when you talk in an exciting manner, that excitement becomes contagious to her. Also, never forget, once you talk about the weather, immediately transition into talking about something interesting about yourself that lots of girls will likely be interested in. Or else you tend to become boring if you continue talking about the weather. If you can make it funny, then that's a huge plus because girls love to laugh. For example, oh no, it's windy. I feel like staying at home, but I don't want to because girls are fun to communicate with. Quick survey. Please comment how a girl stranger makes you feel when you have a magnificent vibe with her. To me, I feel like I want to do a reset her reality shuffle. Eat pasta and on top of the world.